Hi everyone, I'm Desiree Warner again, January 22nd, 2019, in part 2 of this exercise, which is the bacterial morphology and staining techniques. We're going to be using the Gram staining kit, and which comprises of, the crystal violet, the iodine, decolorizer, and my saffron. We are testing the 3 samples that we'd used in a prior experiment that were used to get the broth, used in the broth to, cultivate further microbes. Here we have E. coli, the S. cerevisiae, and the S. epidermidis. So I used the inoculation loop to transfer one of each onto each of these slides onto the microscope, and use the microscope to further examine the slides. As you can see, so the stain, I firstly added the crystal, 1 drop of the crystal violet. It turned purple. I rinsed it off under tap water, catching the stain, and then I gave it 2 drops of iodine, each of them, at 3 different procedures. A drop of iodine. Actually, it was 2 drops of iodine for 60 seconds. And then 1 drop of the discolorizer. After rinsing, you get 1 drop of the discolorizer. And that stayed for 30 seconds. And then I rinsed it. And then the saffron got another 60 seconds. 2 drops of the saffron got 60 seconds. And then I rinsed that. Then I did the same procedure for the S. epidermidis and then the S. cerevisiae. And one of the things I noticed is the color in the stains appeared to be, well, just from my naked eye initially. And now you can see it's somewhat a pink hue. But throughout the different stages of the staining, when it was crystal violet, it took the stain of the purple. Then iodine, it became somewhat of a rust brown color. The discolorizer pretty much erased the entire coloring. It moved the entire color of the stains, and you can see after rinsing there was water on the slide, and then when I added the alcohol, the water moved away, so I couldn't tell it was alcohol. And the saffron, it left the stains to be, as you can see with the naked eye, red hue. A red shade. One of the things I can say is, without even these being labeled, I think I can identify, based on the behavior of these components, I can easily identify what's what, and I think that's it, the experiment.